Good morning. Let's discuss our first topic, the frictional electricity. To make you understand in brief, this video would be useful. It helps you to learn in short what is friction, how this takes place, which substances are charged, what is electricity, and finally it ends with an intelligent question for you to answer. So let's go. A glass rod, when it is rubbed with a silk cloth, it is able to attract small pieces of paper. Similarly, a plastic comb, when combed through dry hair, attracts such paper bits. Can you guess what's happening to the small light objects to get attracted to the bigger objects? The rubbed substances have been electrified, and so they are electrically charged. These charges gets accumulated when their surfaces are rubbed against each other. So when the conducting body comes in contact with such type of surfaces, then a flow of charge occurs through the body. When the glass rod or the plastic comb is stable, it remains neutral. But when it gets rubbed with another object like silk cloth or hair, a friction gets developed on the substance. A common example of electric discharge is the lightning, which occurs during the thunderstorms. For as the lightning cometh out of the east, and shineth even unto the west. So what's this friction? It is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements sliding one against each other. Due to friction that's generated between two objects, heat is produced. This thermal energy which is produced is absorbed by electrons. This electron gets transferred from one material to another. The nature of losing and gaining of electron depends on the material. For easy understanding, you can see here certain materials that tends to give up the electrons and become positively charged: cat fur, wool, nylon, leather, rabbit fur, dry human skin, glass, paper, and aluminium. Similarly, you can see here some materials that tend to attract electrons by getting rubbed become negatively charged: silk, amber, polyester, nickel, copper, gold, platinum, silicon, Teflon, and wood. Next, let's see what is electricity. This property, when the objects get rubbed and develops a friction to attract the light objects, is called electricity. This electricity that is developed by rubbing or friction is called frictional electricity or static electricity. Static means anything that does not move or change with time. So, now we will see another question related to this, that is, when is a body said to be electrified or electrically charged? The rubbed substances that has the property of attraction is said to be electrified or electrically charged. So finally, frictional electricity is the most basic method of charging. Hope you might have got an understanding of frictional electricity. Now you can answer this intelligence question: why don't the silk cloth or the hair get charged while a glass rod or a plastic comb is rubbed? You can give your answer on the comment box below. Thank you. Subscribe, click the bell, stay tuned. Learn the basics from the Facts Known channel. We will be back with our next video soon. Till then, goodbye.